So problem on assignment. Example number one. Solve the following assignment problems using Hungarian methods minimization. So here operators, five operators are there and five jobs are there. So we have operators and completing the job. The processing time is given here. For example, job one is there. If you give to operator number one's processing time is if you give to operator numbers two process 11. For three operator processing time is 14. So here fourth operator's processing time is 11. Five processing time is 0. So like this table is we have to find the we give to each operator so that there should be minimum processing time. Here five columns are there. First step in first row to find out the minimum, the seven minimum numbers you can write here. Second minimum number six, write 6 here. Third numbers, this minimum value is 6, you can write here 6. Fourth 9 and the fifth here it is a 7. So this is the this is called row minimizations. Okay. Now in this minimum value you have to get it deduct from the corresponding elements. Suppose 9 is the 9 minus 7 here it is a 2. 11 minus 7. So 11 minus 7 that is the 4. Here we can write. So 14 minus 7 is 7. 11 minus 7 that is the 4. And 7 minus 7 here is a 0. Similarly, you can go to next row. 6 minus 6 here it is a 0. Then 15 minus 6. So 15 minus 6 how much here? 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 how much here? 9. Then here 13 minus 6 7. Then 13 minus 6 here is 7. And here 10 minus 6 here it is a 4. Now we go to row numbers this 3. So here it is 6. 12 minus 6 here it is a 6. Then 13 minus 6 here it is 7. Then 6 minus 6 here it is a 0. 8 minus 6 here it is 2. 8 minus here it is a 2. Okay. Now we'll go for fourth one. So 11 minus 9 that is the 2. Then 9 minus 9 here it is a 0. 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9 here it is a 1. Then 12 minus 9 here it is a 3. 9 minus 9 here is 0. Similarly, you can go for fifth row. Here it is a 0. Then 5. Then 7. Then 3 and 7. So this is a row minimizations, means we have to find out the minimum value and you can deduct in the okay. Now in this you can go for column minimizations. Here column minimizations. Column minimizations. So in this way, in this which is the value minimum value 0. Here it is a 0 and in this minimum value is the 2. minimum value is 2, and in this minimum value is the 0. So first row minimization, column minimizations. After that, this highest value in this row, that you have to get it from the same column. So first you saw this 4 minus 2, here it is 2, this is 7, 7 minus 2, this is a 5, 2 minus 2, here it is a 0, 3 minus 2, here is a 1, 3 minus 2, here is 1, and remaining things you have to write as it is: 0, 4, 2, 0, 7, this side 7, 7, 0, 1, 7, this side 4, 9, 7, 0, and here it is 5. This 2, 0, 6, 2, and 0. Okay. After this is the first we'll go for row scanning. This is the row scanning. So in this row scanning, first row, other things you have to write as it is. Here it is job number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now first row, you can select first row. In this first row, okay, so 0 you have to select, at least one 0. So this is the first 0. This is the first 0. So you can make square for this 0 and delete this row. Delete this row. Then you come to second. In the second, here it is a 0. You can delete this second. Then here it is more than one 0. To skip this row. Then you go to next. Here it is a 0. You can make vertical lines like this. Vertical. And last one, there is a no 0. Okay. So row scanning is worse. Then you can go to the column scanning. So here this is deleted. This is a deleted. You come to here. Here is one 0. So 0 is there. So you can make square and draw horizontal line. Draw horizontal line. This is horizontal. Okay. Now this after this crossing in this row, this column there is no 0. Already it is cut. Okay. Now this is the column scanning. Okay. Now here 0 is not there. All zeros are crossed. Then you can go for checking the conditions. So what is the conditions? At least 5 row and 5 square should be there. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares are there. So our rows are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our condition is 5 is equal to this 5 square. But here it is not satisfied. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. We require one more. So under these conditions, what we have to do, we have to find out the minimum value which is already uncut. So this is the one is the minimum value. This is the minimum value. Now this minimum value you can deduct from this one and add in the cross section. So here it is plus, here it is plus. So you can add here and here, because this 6 is cut like this way. 7 is also cut like this way. So you can add here and you can get it deduct from others. And as it is, you have to write this. Okay. So here's 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jobs are there. So row 6 is there. So you can add this value. 6 means here it is a 7. And after this, here it is 7. You can add here it is 8. After that, 0, 0, 2. Correct. 2 is also crossed, means here we can make 3. because here it is crossed. So 1 plus 2 is 3, then 7 plus 1 is 8, 6 plus 1 7. After that you can write as it is all these things. So here it is a 2, 4, 7, 2, 0 as it is. Here it is a 0, 9, 7, 5, 4. But here's what you have to do. This 1 we have to deduct from 7. No? So instead of 7 here should be 6. This is the 6. Now here it is 7. You can get it deduct. Here it is a 6. Correct. Now it is 1 is there. So already 1 0 is there. So here you can make a 0. And here is also 1. It is also 1 or 7. So it is a 7. So you can get it and you can here 1. Then 1 minus 1, here it is a 0 and here it is a 0. So this red colors indicate minus and this we have plus here. Okay. Now after this as it is you can write here it is a 0, here it is a 5, here it is a 2 and here it is a 0. And this side here it is a 0 and last ones that is the 7. Okay. So this is the last solutions. Now in this we have to find out the row minimization. Once again follow the first step. So this is our first row. We can delete all this. Then go to the second. This is the delete all this. After that here it is 2 0. You skip this. Correct. Then here it is 3 0. You can skip this. Okay. Then you have to go for column minimizations. So here this is the 0. Correct. So column minimize 1 0 is there. You can make horizontal lines. Column minimizations. Column minimize. First is what, second is there, 1 0 is there. You can make square. After that here you can go. Here it is a 1 0. You can make horizontal line like this way. Okay. Now you have to this one. How many are this is only 1 0 is there. You can make horizontal line. Okay. So after this, you can count how many squares are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. Means our condition is 5 is equal to 5. Means a row and square that should be 5. Okay. So in this condition, our first job and job. So here job. Then here you can write job number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here it is operators, and here is time. So our first operator square is here. We can go to the first value. First operator square is 1. Operator number 5 is there, and time is the 7. Second operator number 2 is there. So operator number 2, what is the time here? Here 6 time is there. Operator number 2 time is the 6. Now operator number 3. So 3 here it is a 3. So here 3 and time is there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 6 time is there. Then operator number 4. Here it is a 2. It's a 2 operators. Here it is a operator number 4. 4 is there. So here it is a 4. Operator number 4. So this job is 4 operators. 2. This is the 2. So what is the 4 to 4 to 9? So 4 to 9 should be there. Then 5. So 5 here it is a 4. Operator number 4 and corresponding job 10 should be there. Okay. So first first operators job numbers 5. Second operators second operator job number 1 is here. Instead of 2 there should be 1. Okay. So first jobs we have to give to operator number 5. Optimum processing time is 7. Then second job we have to give the first operators processing time is 6. Correct. Then third job we have to give to third operator processing time is 6. Fourth operators processing we have to give to second operator processing time is 9. And fifth job we have to give the operator number 4 processing time is 10. So total 38 hours is there. So like this we have to distribute the work. This is called the assignment problems. Okay, thank you. So this is example number 2. Solve the assignment problems. Minimization condition. So this is problem. Four places are C1, C2, C3, C4. And here it says four professors are there. A, B, C, D. And here number of lectures allocated to this professor. So we have to see the optimization conditions so that any professor will get overloaded any lectures. So in this problem, first of all, you have to find out the uh, minimum value. So the minimum value in the first row, here it is 2. In this minimum value is 4, you can 4. This row minimum value is 11, so you can 11. In this 4 is minimum value. Now this minimum value you have to get it direct from each element of the individual row. So this is called the row reduction or row minimization. So row minimization. So this 2 minus 2 here it is 0. 10 minus 2 here it is 8. 9 minus 2 here it is a 7. 7 minus 2 here it is a 5. So this is the row minimizations. After that go to next row. So this is 15 minus 4 here it is 11. 4 minus 4 here it is a 0. 14 minus 4 here it is a 10. 8 minus 4 is 4. Next, next row number 3. 13 minus 11 here it is 2. 14 minus 11 here it is a 3. 16 minus 11 here it is 5. 11 minus 11 here it is 0. Then next last row 4 4, it is 11. 13 and it is 9 minus 4, it is 5. So this is the row minimizations. Once again I will repeat. Once the problem is given like this way, in this row minimum value is 4, here is 11. In this row minimum, this value you have to get from each element. This value you have to get from each element. This value you have to get from each element. This from each element you will get like this way. Now, next step, that is the column minimization. So here column minimizations. So in this, first of all, you have to find out the lowest number 0. Here it is lowest number 0. Here it is lowest number 5. And here it is the lowest number 0. After this is the maximum value. You have to get it direct from each element. Okay, 7 minus 5, 10 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 9 minus 5. So 7 minus 5 is a 2. 10 minus 5 it is 5. 5 minus 5 it is 0. And 9 minus 5 it is a 4. So that we can write others element as it is. So here it is 5, 4, 8, 0, 3, 11, 0, 11, 2, 0. After that, you can go for row scanning. Row scanning. So this is the first row. Find out at least one zero. If more than one zeros are there, you can skip that row. So in this row, this is the zero. So you can make square like this way and draw one vertical line. It indicates that this column you can skip, neglect this. Then you can go to the next row. This row, here is the zero. You can make vertical, right? You neglect that. Then you come to this here, more than one zero. You skip this row and come to this. There is no zero. Okay. So here actually two squares are there. Actually our condition is there. A row and square should be equal. Then this condition it is called optimization condition. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 rows are there, but squares are 2 only. Again we have to proceed this. So next we have to go for column scanning. So this is already cut. This is already cut. Then we have to come here. This is only 1 0. Scanning is there. Then you have to go for horizontal line. Columns horizontal, row vertical. Okay. Now after this, which are uncut value 2, 5, 5, 4, 4, 5 uncut values. Now in this you have to find out the minimum value. So this is actually minimum value. This minimum value you have to add in the cross section value. So this is the cross value. Plus is there. This you have to add here. Plus is there. This add you have to add here because plus is there. Okay. So here in the C round, here should be 4. 4. In this 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 here it is 5, then here it is a 0, and here it is a 0. Okay, now this value you have to get it deduct from remaining hours. So here 2 minus 2, here it is 0, 5 minus 2, here it is 3, 5 minus 2, here it is 3, 4 minus 2, here it is 2, 4 minus 2, here it is 2, 5 minus 2, here is 3. Remaining value you have to write as it is, here it is 8, 0, 11, here it is 0, 11, and 0. Then once again you have to follow the first step, that is the row scanning and column scanning. So related to this is the row, first row. So here two zeros are there, you can skip this. Here it is second row, only one zero is there, you can mark like this and draw one vertical. Then next, here is two zeros, skip this. Okay. And here it is last, here is one zero, you can mark like this vertical. Okay. Then you have to go for column scanning. Column scanning, this column is over, this column is over, this is the remaining. So, but in these two zeros are there, you can skip that. Come to the last column, if one zero is there, you can make horizontal line and square here. This is the horizontal line. Okay, this is the horizontal line. Now, after this, you have to go to once again row column. Row. So in this row, first 0 is there, so we can make 0 and draw horizontal line. It is a row. So when row is there, so we can go for vertical line. So this horizontal should not be there. Only you have to go for vertical. So here it is a 0. It is 0, 0, and 0. So how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4g square equal to 4 row. Then this condition is satisfied. Now for A, A. So which row is there? C3. So A, C3 square is there. For B, C2 is there. Then C, C4 is there. And for D, C1 is there. Corresponding value for this you have to find from original problems. So for AC3, for AC3 here it is a 9, BC2 here it is a 4, DC4 CC4 here it is 11, DC1 is 4. That means the professor A